friend Jamie. We're going to have a look at a piece called Start the Show. Have a look at the rhythm first. There are 4 beats in every bar, and you have crotchet, 2 quavers, crotchet, 2 quavers. Have a look if you can see that. I'm going to clap the rhythm, and you follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 for 2, rest for 2. Have a look again, try to clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 for 2, rest for 2. The second line is the same as the first line, so I'd like you to get that done this week, the first 2 lines. So our notes are, we're on the A string, you have B, 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 C, which is the second finger on the low position, B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 C, D, C, B, then goes to G, 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 G. I'll play that quickly. Okay, so I'm on the A string.